Culture says stand. Culture says be defiant. Don't just light a match when you can become the fire. Be as bright as yellow and be the sun. Let people know that for the body to make sense, you must become the source. You must stand as strong as Umarok. Go to your roots and make sure you rise as the Iroko. There's knowledge and it's okay to become the Aitunu. We have over 500 languages, so feel free to become the multilingual. We pioneer the Afrobeat, so break your backs like Atiliku dances. There are many dying techniques, but make sure you come out as Adire. Command the airwaves to give way. Be bold in Ashoke and don't forget the game. We are too original to be anything less. What we have is real and authentic. We are home of biodiversity and we've not even reached our plateau. Our natural beauties peak, from the rugged peaks of Jos Plateau to how our men are built, and the groundbreaking beauty of our women. We are too good to be just food for thought. We know how to make the belly feast, with offensala and pounded yam, the fame and splendor of Abacha, Digbegi, with tuwo shinkafa or amala. Our indigenous food will tell you that there's always food at home. MTN is bridging the gap to see Naija. The firewood jollof don't need plantain to make sense, just by the look. Because way before Mongo Park we knew where our rivers go. We're more than the river Naija and Benue. We're more united than the confluence we full ground. We're not Cyclops from X-Men besieged. This is MTN Sight and Sound. And culture says be everywhere you go. This is how I see Naija. What do you see?